Click on the link below to get price. The Alorair Whole House Dehumidifier Bundle, featuring a robust 140 ppd, pints per day, capacity, is an excellent investment for anyone struggling with excess moisture in their home. This commercial-grade dehumidifier stands out due to its impressive performance, durability, and user-friendly design. Right out of the box, the unit feels solid and well-constructed. The heavy-duty plastic casing is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use, making it ideal for basements, crawl spaces, or entire homes needing moisture control. Its compact design ensures it can fit into various spaces without compromising functionality. One of the standout features of the Alorair dehumidifier is its impressive moisture extraction capability. With a capacity of 140 ppd, it efficiently removes humidity from large areas, making it suitable for properties up to 2,600 square feet. The automatic shutoff feature is a great safety addition. It prevents overflow when the water tank is full. Moreover, the direct drain option allows for continuous operation without the need for manual emptying, which is a significant plus for busy households. Setting up the unit is straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions. The digital control panel is easy to navigate, providing you with real-time humidity readings and the ability to adjust settings as needed. The built-in humidistat is another commendable feature, as it allows the unit to automatically adjust its operation based on the current humidity levels. Noise level is often a concern with dehumidifiers, but the Alorair operates relatively quietly, making it suitable for nighttime use without disrupting sleep. Additionally, the energy efficiency of this model is commendable. It balances power consumption with performance, potentially lowering your energy bills. In summary, the Alorair Whole House Dehumidifier Bundle is a top-tier solution for maintaining optimal humidity levels in your home. Its robust features, including high moisture extraction rates, ease of use, and energy efficiency, make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality. Overall, it's a reliable choice that